Welcome student in 7th session from your textbook chapter number 2 is matter around us pure. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the suspension and colloid and their properties. Today we are going to discuss concentration of a solution. Okay. So a solution may have a small amount of solute dissolved in it while another solution may have a large amount of solute dissolved in it. So the solution having a small amount of solute is said to have low concentration is known as a dilute solution. Okay. So the solution having a large amount of solute is said to be a concentration. Clear this one? It means जिसमें स्मॉल अमाउंट का सोल्यूट डिजोल्व होता है. क्लियर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन. और जिसमें लार्ज अमाउंट का सोल्यूट डिजोल्व होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. ओके. सो the concentration of solution is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of the solutions. Clear this one? So the concentration of solution can be expressed in a number of different way. The most common way of expressing the concentration of solution is by percentage method. So the percentage method of expressing the concentration of solution refer to the percentage of solute present in the solution. Means इसमें जितना तो आपको पता है सॉल्यूशन टू थिंग्स में देयर इज ए सॉल्वेंट और सोल्यूट दोनों से मिक्स होके क्या बनता है सॉल्यूशन. सो इन दैट उसमें कितने परसेंटेज का सॉल्यूट डिसॉल्व है इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. सो द परसेंटेज ऑफ सॉल्यूट कैन बी बाय मास और बाय वॉल्यूम. आप दो इससे आप उसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो. ओके. बाय मास ऑल्सो और बाय वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो. सो दिस पॉइंट विल become more clear from the following discussion. If the solution is of a solid solute, okay, remember, if the solution is of a solute, okay, मतलब solute कैसा है solid form में dissolve in liquid, then we consider the mass percentage of solute in calculating the concentration of solution. अगर means solution is of a solute, अगर solid डिजोल्व हो रहा है लिक्विड में देन वी कंसिडर मास परसेंटेज ऑफ सोल्यूट इन कैलकुलेटिंग द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूशन. सो दैट वी कॉल बाय मास. ओके. ओके. इफ द सोल्यूशन is of a that liquid dissolve in that liquid, so that we consider by volume. clear. तो इसमें solid डिजोल्व हो रहा है लिक्विड में तो उसको बाय मास से आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो हियर there is a formula of concentration of solution. There is a mass of solute upon mass of solution multiply by 100. So this is the formula of that concentration of solution. और अगर आप इसमें लिक्विड अगर रहता है सॉल्यूट तो इसमें क्या आ जाएगा वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूट एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 सेम रहता है. ओके. नाउ हियर मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. आप कैसे मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करोगे. You know that there is a means that the mass of solution is equal to the mass of solute plus the mass of solvent. Means mass of solution अगर आपको find out करना है तो आपको mass of solute plus mass of solvent को add करना है. So we can obtain the mass of solution by adding the mass of solute and mass of solvent. Clear this one? So here one example, there is a 10% solution of common salt, that means 10 grams, okay, of sodium chloride are present in 100 grams of solution. So here is the example of that solute. So mass of solute means that salt कितना है 10 gram, okay, कितना दिया हुआ है 10 gram. And mass of solvent means that water, how much there is it 90 gram. So mass of solution, आप mass of solution कैसे आप find out करोगे. As the above written is there, what is their mass of solute. तो mass of solute कितना है 10 and mass of solvent कितना दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे 90. तो 10 plus 90 means that 100 grams. Clear this one? So this we got the value of that mass of solution. Now concentration of solution means we have to putting these values of that solution, mass of solution and mass of solute in the above formula. There is a concentration of solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution. So we put the value of this mass of solute 10 grams, okay, and mass of solution 100. So multiply by 100. So this we will get the 10% by mass. So this is the example of solid solute dissolve in liquid. So this we got the concentration of solution, there is a 10. Now second example, in the case of liquid solute dissolve in a liquid solvent. Okay, before that we taken the example of that solid solute dissolve in a liquid. So we calculate that concentration of solution by mass. So here we have the example of that liquid in liquid. So we calculate that concentration of solution by volume. Clear? So we starting the example. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. Ml, that's why, because there is in liquid, so we calculate, we can measure the liquid in that milliliter. Clear? So calculate the concentration of this solution. Means इसमें two things mix हो रही है. Okay, so आपको इसका solution का concentration find out करना है. So we know that concentration of solution, volume of solute upon volume of solution, okay, multiply by 100. So this is the formula of that concentration of solution if we have to find the concentration of solution, okay, solution a liquid dissolve in liquid. Clear? Remember this. So here there is a volume of solute, means that alcohol mixing in that water. So solute क्या हो गया? Alcohol हो गया. So what is the value of that solute? Alcohol 50 ml. Okay, and volume of solvent means that alcohol mixing in the water. So this is what? Solvent. So volume of solvent is what? 150 ml. So volume of solution, how we have to find out? Same process we have to follow, that volume of that solutions. So volume of solute plus volume of solvent. So how much volume of solute is there? 50 ml. Okay, so right here 50, okay, and plus volume of solvent 150. So right here 150. Clear this one? So now add this 50 plus 150 is what? 200. Okay, and there is what? Milliliter. Clear? So now putting this value of volume of solute and volume of solution. Now we have the volume of solute already and there is a volume of solution. We now got that 200 ml. So putting this value in the above formula, so we get concentration of solution. So what is the formula of that above? There is, means that concentration of solution. Okay, concentration of solution. So volume of solute, how much volume of solute is there? 50. Okay, upon volume of solution is 200 ml. So right here 200 ml. Now multiply by 100. Clear this one? So here means there is a this 20 cut by this 20. Okay, and that's now here that's 50 upon 2. So these 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and this 1 is left, so 10 will means 2 fives are 10. Clear this one? So that we will got 25. So this is what? 25%. So right here 25% by volume. Clear? This one also write by volume. Clear this one? So thus the concentration of this alcohol solution is 25%, or that is 25% alcohol solution by volume. Clear this one? Thank you.